Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe. If you guys have a Hyundai Santa Fe, you need to test the AC compressor valve because your AC compressor is not working. It's blowing warm, hot air guys. Stay with us, we'll explain how to find out if it's working or not. If that valve doesn't work, your AC compressor will not work as well guys. So most of the Hyundai Santa Fe's guys will be equipped with that valve, especially the ones that are past year 2013 all the way to year currently 2021. So stay with us and we'll explain how to test it safely and find out if it's working or not. Now, as you can see, the engine is out of the vehicle. Why we do that guys? Because every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission as a shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information. Now, another thing guys, if you need to buy any parts or tools, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Let's explain now how to test the AC compressor valve on a Hyundai Santa Fe. So right here guys, okay, this is the 2.4 GDI engine, but even if you have a V6 engine, the procedure is practically the same. Or even if you have a turbo engine, this is the AC compressor right here guys. So the AC compressor guys, okay, will have a valve, okay, that valve right here. The purpose of that valve guys, okay, we'll first explain guys, okay, that valve is actually works as a clutch. When you turn the AC compressor on, that valve will close guys, okay, gradually. It will apply between 6 and 12 volts. It will close and the AC compressor will activate. But why it uses that instead of a clutch? First, because it eliminates engine jerking, engine moving when the AC compressor first kicks in, because it will be gradual. Second, you will not feel anything when it turns on guys. And third, it makes the vehicle more efficient. It doesn't use as much fuel because the AC compressor can turn on and off when it needs to. When it reaches certain temperature or pressure, it can turn off. For a couple of seconds you won't even feel that. Now, with all that being said guys, how do we test that things? You need a 12 volt supply such as a car battery. It needs to be pretty powerful, so get a car battery guys. Now, you have two wires. It doesn't matter where you put the wires. You can put green on positive or green on negative, but don't touch the two wires together, because if you do, you will burn it guys. When you apply 12 volt supply, you will hear that solenoid clicking. Listen now. Yep, but that doesn't mean anything. Okay, so far 50% of the test is done. It means that it's actually, okay, clicking, it's activating, but it doesn't mean that actually the airflow, okay, and all the valves open on the inside. So we're going to get a balloon guys, okay, a balloon. And what I'm going to do, I'll apply a 12 volt supply. When I apply a 12 volt supply here, okay, that valve, okay, we're trying to install it, should close completely. Listen now, it's closed. Now when I open it, listen what's going to happen. The balloon will start deflating and it will let air out. So you can see every time I close it, it keeps the pressure. When I open it, I lift off the battery source, it lets the air out. So when it lets the air out, the compressor is not working because the freon will flow freely and there will be no pressure. So that's how it works guys, and that's how we test it. Now if you need to see how to replace one, we have a special video on the channel that explains how to do that, so please check it out. And if you need to buy a new AC compressor valve for a really good price, check it out. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. So thank you guys for watching and see you next time.